Alright, so here we go with SDR play. Now let me just close this out first. I think this is the main. You close one of them and all the rest of them usually close. They're all kind of tiled, which is sort of nice. So you go over here, SDR play, click it after you have everything plugged in. All this stuff pops up. And it gives you a startup tip. sdruno display the frequency on RX control panel in hertz. Okay. We have the plugins, which you see over here. Audio recorder, DAB, DX cluster, MPX output, Black Cat systems, cloud marker. Quick load. I'm going to leave that alone. So over here you can put frequencies and put them into memory. This thing doesn't really have a band stack registry. But you'll start over by here by going click and play. Boom, we got this thing here. The tips are worth reading. High dynamic range with our SP selected. Okay, let's just get that out of there. So you drag your mouse here in different spots. Hit the volume. I don't know where our volume is. It's hard to say what it's being routed to. It looks like it's not in the right spot. Or coming out of the TV. We don't want to be on AM.
That's about it for this end of the week. Position news tonight, and thanks for being there, and we wish Mary the best. I hope she's doing well.
That's not cool.
We do appreciate that. So, KG16NY.
Why would do that? It's not supposed to. It's just supposed to minimize the one you click on. So I prefer to drag it out like this, and I can see the whole thing. I don't remember it used to moving like this. So you can change different bands, but it will not remember where you were. But I like this better than SDR Connect. You can change your filters.
Ok, muy bien, muy bien. Están trabajando muy bien, Antena, y los modificadores también llegan muy bien. Okay. Pablo, muchas gracias.
I've always liked this software better than the other crap. I don't think any other software I've liked that much. I'd have preferred maybe less of a dark background. The ability to change like the color. There's very little you can change in the way of the colors.
Radio Oscar again.
You can do waterfall only.
Okay. Golfing George.
You can do that.
What's your name? Okay. Radio 60 Delta Radio Oscar.
It's kind of an interesting deal.
You are 5'7" here in Costa Rica. Okay, 73 and a great weekend. Radio 6 Delta Radio Oscar, time Radio 4, Lima Alpha Sierra. 73, bye-bye, over. Tango Oscar again.
We're looking at 1400 to 14360.
Okay.
Which is pretty good for this band.
Tango Oscar, is that right?
But I don't know. Okay, maybe here settings.
Okay, QSL. Hey, Chris, you are 5'7". I'm copying you 5'7". Okay, Chris, coming very, very strong.
So you can adjust the gain. We're on Spectran EXT. We can switch to WinRAD, whatever that is. It'll look more like that. We got LinRAD.
Okay, Roger.
And then we got monochrome.
Thank you so much. Wishing you a very good weekend. And hopefully we're going to make contact soon again. Golf 7, Victor.
And then we have
horns. 73, and thank you so much. Have all the best to you. And hopefully we're going to make contact soon again. Bye-bye. Overall.
There's 3 different colors back here. When we do that. So that's what it was on originally. Okay, now the FFT window.
WA0 Hotel Kilo, is that right?
So we can change that. But that's about all we can really do. We can't really change the colors.
Okay, Hotel Alpha Zero, Sierra Hotel Kilo. Is that Robert? Is that right?
I like it this way a little bit better. The other way looks cool, but we had the spectrum range, the bass. You can change different things, but I have no idea that if there's a way to change the color. I really don't think there is. So it'd be like, you know, in the 7300, you could change all this stuff and make it look differently. But you can't do it on this. It's still one of my favorite softwares for the SDR play. You have to have an SDR play to use it, as far as I know. I think they made it to where you can't anymore. There used to be a way to use the RTL SDR dongle on these, but you used to be able to also install this on Linux, and they deleted the files that used to be out there. So the only way to get the files is to go to a Wayback Machine where you've already downloaded them previously. It's really nuts.
Thank you. Very good weekend for you. And hopefully we'll make contact again with propagation. 73, bye-bye. Hotel Whiskey Alpha 0 Sierra Hotel Kilo and Media for Lima Alpha Sierra 7.